The order requires Pfaffendorf to surrender, sell, or legally store all guns and ammunition. That California order and similar red flag laws are designed to save lives when legitimate concerns are raised about somebody who owns weapons, has access to weapons, or the means to buy a weapon. And new this year, Minnesota has a similar rule in place known as the Extreme Risk Protection Order. Ben Henry shows us the law's impact and the calls for everybody to better understand what they can do to help.
We know that ERPOs have been granted this year. To me, it sounds like lives saved.
The ERPOs Leah Condis is talking about are extreme risk protection orders.
We should be doing everything we can.
Part of gun violence prevention organization Moms Demand Action, Condis is an ERPO advocate.
What the ERPO intends to do is just put some time and space between that crisis and lethal means.
New for Minnesotans this year, law enforcement, family, parents, spouses, even roommates can file an ERPO against someone they feel will do harm with a firearm, against others or themselves.
I think it's actually going better than I thought it was going to.
Assistant Hennepin County Attorney Raina Alexander says as we near the end of the year, 31 have been filed with the county, part of the 132 ERPOs that have been submitted statewide. Of those, according to Minnesota courts, only 8 had no action taken.
As court processes go, it is a fairly straightforward process.
Alexander adds this is not a criminating action, but a preventative step. As if approved by a judge, the person would temporarily have to turn over firearms and be barred from buying one as the situation is addressed.
Family or household member is not responsible for serving that order. Law enforcement will take care of that. There's no fees involved. This is a free process.
Alexander feels hopeful more will take these steps moving forward, and fortunate it's an option.
We've had a lot of ERPOs in situations where you read the petition and you think, that's a scary situation. I'm really glad we have this ability.
Those not related to people they're worried about should warn law enforcement who can file an ERPO. Of note, most of those filings have been made by law enforcement. That's why these conversations, they want to continue to have them. This is the ERPO. This is what people need to fill out. Basic questions about themselves, basic questions about who they're worried about, some information on what's going on, and then they drop it off at their county courthouse. Online options available. We have a step-by-step guide people can look at, and this on the story on the app.
But they want loved ones to know this is something they can do to protect somebody.
That's right. Keep the conversation going.
Okay. Thank you, Ben.